Welcome to the Green AP channel. In this video, we will look at an example of using the ngrok service to debug the webhooks server on a local machine. Sometimes you need to debug the mechanism for receiving and processing webhooks locally on your computer. The ngrok service will help us do this. Let's redirect Green AP server requests to our local machine. Let's prepare the environment for work. It is assumed that you have already installed Node.js and know how to use it. I downloaded the example in advance and added it to my project. We need to install several packages to receive notifications. Run this command in the terminal. Start listening to port 80 on the machine. Check this port. Simulate sending messages to this port using Postman. Note that you need to use the Postman application on your computer, since you will not be able to access the local port of your machine from the application in the browser. Let's make a test request. In the terminal, we will receive the request body. Now the environment is successfully configured. Let's install the ngrok application. Let's register using Google Mail. Let's download the application, launch it, and execute the command specified on the site. Now let's redirect requests from an external address to your local address. In the neighboring terminal, let's launch ngrok. Let's execute the command ngrok /ttpy80. Let's go to the application page and take the address offered to us. Let's specify it in the settings of our instance. Let's send a message to ourselves. On the application page, you can control requests. In the terminal, we will receive a notification. By simulating different types of events and receiving notifications, you can debug the operation of your code on your computer. I recommend that you make an exception handler that records unprogrammed notifications. This way you will see all events received from the AP, and if necessary, you can expand the functionality of your application. In this example, after receiving a notification, we send a status code of 200 in response. We have a library in which this is done automatically. Note that sending status code 200 must be done immediately after receiving the webhook. If you do not do this, our server will pause for 1 minute and repeat the request. In this video, we looked at an example of using the ngrok service to debug the webhook server on a local machine. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact our support service.